Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome back to Zedra, where we dive into the weird and wonderful world of high-stakes finance. Today, we're exploring a niche that's equal parts luxurious and lunatic, luxury asset lending. Imagine being able to lend against some of the most exclusive possessions on the planet: Warhol paintings, Rolex watches, gold bullion, even an Academy Award. That's what Suros Capital, a specialist in high-value asset lending, offers its clients. And it's not just about throwing cash at anyone with a fancy item. No, there's a rigorous process involved. At Suros, they've got to prove that the Rolex you're trying to lend against is, in fact, a genuine Rolex, not some cheap knockoff. They use everything from auction history to X-rays and UV light to authenticate items. Can you imagine having to do that for every single asset? It's like being an art detective, minus the cool glasses. But it's not just about authentication, it's also about valuation. Luxury assets can be notoriously difficult to value, especially when they're one-of-a-kind or extremely rare. Suros uses a network of experts, including auction house professionals, to get accurate valuations for their clients' assets. And of course, there's the risk control, making sure that loan is covered in case something goes wrong. Now, you might be wondering how this market came to be. Well, it turns out that when the art market is slow, some sellers are turning their valuable possessions into loans instead of selling them at a discount. It's like using your car as collateral for a loan, but instead of a clunker, you're putting up a Picasso. Suros believes this trend could continue to grow as more people turn to luxury asset lending. But with great power comes great risk management, and Suros is taking it very seriously. They've even got their own £30 cash vault, filled with £300 worth of insured jewelry. Talk about a safety net. Now, here's the thing. Most people overestimate what their assets are worth. And that's where the magic happens at Suros. They take those underestimates and turn them into loans. It's like taking a risk on a diamond in the rough. You're betting that it'll be worth more than you think. That's the world of luxury asset lending, folks, equal parts exclusive and unpredictable. At Zedra, we're always on the lookout for stories like this, where finance meets art and extravagance. Until next time, stay informed.